Rizal. Buti na lang, be. You showed this us itong Weehawk.
Marami talaga nag-dual dito sa Weehawk.
Kasi legal dito, be, di ba? And ayan guys, good morning. Welcome back sa Andre Ajaj TV. So yun guys, dito na tayo ngayon, dito sa New York. So last night we had so much fun, no? Nagpunta nga tayo sa Dumbo, Fulton Ferry, Jane's Carousel, and syempre yung Brooklyn Bridge. Ayan. Sama lang kayo ngayon sa day 2. Mostly ang pupuntahan namin is yung mga Hamilton landmark. So, yung bahay ni Hamilton, kung saan siya namatay, kung saan yung duel, and marami pang iba. And balak namin sa afternoon is magpunta nga sa Central Park ng New York kasi gustong-gusto magpunta ni Claire doon. So sama lang kayo ngayon. So umpisa namin ng breakfast and update na lang later. See ya! So ayan guys, tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Papunta na kami ngayon sa swimming pool. And be, ano masasabi mo sa ating Hamilton Day?
Good!
Guys, so tapos na tayo mag-breakfast. And nandito tayo ulit sa swimming pool para mag-swimming si Klein. And after neto, alis na tayo, no? And nakapag-swimming na nga tayo kahapon, no? O kagabi, ang nag-swimming is si Klein, ako, saka si Claire. Ngayon, turn naman ni Mami, no? So si Mami and Klein naman ang mag-swimming. And kumukuha lang ng towel si Andrea. And guys, nag-swimming na sila, si Mami and si Klein, no? Let's go! So 30 minutes lang sila mag-swimming kasi pupunta na nga kami dun sa Hamilton Heights or mga historic landmark ni Alexander Hamilton. So ayun, update na lang namin kayo later, okay? See ya! Batang nag-i-enjoy kasama ang kanyang short. Let's go! Let's go! Ayan guys, so yung swimming pool ayun. Ayan si Andrea, oh. Saka si Klein nag-i-enjoy mag-swimming dyan. And ito yung gym actually guys. Gusto daw mag-gym ni Claire eh. Ay, may restroom pala dito be. Ayan. Let's go! Mini gym lang siya. Ayan, may mga equipment dyan. Kung gusto nyong pa-fitness habang nasa bakasyon. Or regular kayong nag-fitness.
Come on, Dad. Let's do some.
No, I'm good.
No.
My ankle and knees are hurting. So try daw ni Claire to treadmill. Yung dalawa, yun pa din eh, oh. Hal! Hindi na naririnig. Yung dalawa. Kami lang tao, guys. Alam mo ba yan? Oh. Let's go! Let's go, Claire. Let's go, Claire. And ayan guys, let's go. Ayan, so nakapag-ayos na kami. And papunta na kami ngayon sa mga historical landmark ni
Alexander Hamilton!
Bakit ba gusto mo si Alexander Hamilton ba?
Really? It's only because of the musical, but I've been reading the book and
Yes. Kung naalala niyo yung vlog namin na binilhan namin sila ng gift nung Christmas, isa sa regalo namin o hiniling niya talaga is magkaroon ng book ni Alexander Hamilton. So nagbabasa niya siya ng book. Ilang pages yun be?
780.
And anong page mo na?
I'm on page 164.
Yeah, so ayun, so pupuntahan natin ngayon. Kung napanood niyo na or hindi pa sa Disney Plus yung
yung Hamilton musical play.
So by Lin-Manuel Miranda. So punta natin yung mga historical landmark ni Alexander Hamilton. Ang unang-una natin pupuntahan is yung
his dueling spot with Aaron Burr.
yes. Dueling spot sa Weehawken sa may Hudson River. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go. Update na lang later. ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa Weehawken, New York. Ayan. New Jersey. So, kung makikita nyo yan guys, ito yung Hudson River. And this is New Jersey. And sa kabilang tawid, that's New York. So, ayan. Nandito yung isa sa historical landmark ni Alexander Hamilton. And ayan guys, napakaganda ng lugar. Buti na lang be, you showed this us tong Weehawken. Kasi kung hindi, talagang parang New York lang yung papasyalan natin, no? So nandito kami ngayon sa Hamilton Park. Ayan. So papasok ka lang sa loob dito sa Weehawken. And then napakanda. Isang walkway to from there and then papunta doon. And then overlooking ng downtown New York, no? Ganda guys. Overlooking. Wow. Grabe. Claire. Claire. Hi. Ayan, nagbibideo siya. So guys, enjoyin lang muna namin itong magandang spot na to. Ayan, dahil sa Hamilton nakita namin to. Ayan o. Dito to sa Weehawken, New Jersey. And tulad nga sinabi ko kanina, Hudson River yan. So update na lang later. Dito pa lang to sa Weehawken. Madami pa kaming landmarks na pupuntahan about Hamilton. Pero tingnan nyo kasi guys, grabe. Overlooking. Ayun yung dalawang Brooklyn and New York. Ayan. Talagang ang ganda ng Hamilton Park. Dito yan sa Weehawken, New Jersey. Ayan. Dito lang pwede na magre-relax no? Ayan. So, yung dual spot ni Aaron Burr saka ni Hamilton is doon banda. So pupunta kami doon mamaya. And ayan. Pipicture lang kami siguro dito. Update later. Bear, are you happy? Ha? Plain, are you happy? Ha? Let's go. Ayan, may mga helicopter pa. So yan, papunta na tayo sa dueling spot ni Hamilton. So be, give me naman some facts about Alexander Hamilton.
So basically, he was a founding father of the United States. He served during the Revolutionary War, or the American Revolution. He is said to have died at like 49 or 47, which we don't know because his birth year is unknown. Unknown,
because he also Hamilton is also an immigrant from where?
From the West Indian Islands.
Yeah, so siya yung immigrant founding father. Yeah. And saan din siya makikita? Sa $10 bill.
Yeah, he's the $10 founding father without a father.
Yan. But sadly nga, namatay si Hamilton at age 47 or 49.
Right.
Dahil nakipag-duel. Yeah, siya kay Aaron Burr, which is vice president before nun. So guys, panoorin nyo yung Hamilton na play by Lin-Manuel Miranda sa Disney Plus. So ma-appreciate nyo. And lot of history. So, yun nga. So, ang place kung saan nagbarilan or nagduel si Aaron Burr and Alexander Hamilton is dito sa Weehawken, Illinois. So, from New York, kung saan sila nakatira, tumawid sila dito sa Hudson River and dito sila nagduel. Ayan. So, may kita nyo yung statue ni ano doon or ano ni Alexander Hamilton. So, let's go! Ayan, kilig na si Claire. Oh. Gusto niya talaga yan eh. Let's go, be! Let's read some facts. Ayan. So, etong stone ata, nandito na yan since 1700. 1776, right? So, Alexander Hamilton. And ayan siya! Ang real face ni Alexander Hamilton. Kung makikita nyo guys, ayan. Tinawid nila yung river na yan. Ayan, basahin natin.
Go, Claire.
I'll read it.
On the stone rested the head of the patriots,
Soldiers.
and
Juris.
Alexander Hamilton
Oh, so ito yung ano. Diyan bumaksak.
When he dropped down.
Drop down. So guys, background lang or context lang, no. So yun nga, si Alexander Hamilton and Aaron Burr is the dalawang founding father ng US.
Yeah, I guess you could say Burr is a founding father.
But only Alexander Hamilton.
Yeah, is founding father. So si Aaron Burr and si Hamilton is, kung dun sa play, parang villain and hero, no. Kasi si Aaron Burr yung pumatay kay Alexander Hamilton, which is dito nga. So sa musical kasi, yun nga sila, magkaaway sila ni Aaron Burr saka ni Alexander Hamilton.
So yan guys, no. Ito meron ditong note. So marami talagang nagdo-duel dito sa New Jersey, no. Sa Weehawken specifically.
Kasi legal dito, be, di ba?
Yeah.
Including Alexander Hamilton's son, Philip.
Oh.
Dueled with George Eaker.
Yeah, yung anak din ni Alexander Hamilton. Kasi sa New York, illegal yung dueling. Pero dito sa Weehawken, sa New Jersey, legal yung dueling. So, ayan. So, ito. Ayan.
Para mag-duel.
Mag-duel.
So, yan yung mga sikat na tao na
nag-duel dito
sa area na.
And isa na nga dito yung anak ni Alexander Hamilton, si Philip
What's
Hamilton,
the
no?
Philip.
Si
Philip. Ayan. So sige guys, magpi-picture muna kami dito. And then update na lang later. Guys, ito yung the Hamilton and Burr duel noong 1804. Babasahin ni Claire.
The most famous duel in American history took place on this date at the dueling grounds in Weehawken between political rivals General Alexander Hamilton and sitting Vice President of the United States, Colonel Aaron Burr. Hamilton fell mortally wounded and died the next day in New York City. Tragically, Hamilton's son Philip had also met his death here in a duel in 1801.
1801. So ito si Hamilton, guys.
George Eaker.
Ito si Aaron Burr.
So basically, Philip, he died because he wanted to, basically George Eaker, the man he was dueling with, was with a feud with his father, and he wanted to honor his father. Yeah, his father's name.
Wow. So itong area na to, guys, ang daming duel spot to. So fun fact lang, guys, nung nag-duel sila Hamilton sa si Aaron Burr, so ang huling site na nakita ni Hamilton is ang New York. Kasi si Aaron Burr daw is nakaharap dito, which is wala kang makikita, bahay. Siguro nung sinaunang panahon wala yan, forest yan or something, puro puno. Pero si Hamilton is nakaharap sa New York. So nung binaril niya, sa story, hindi tinuloy ni Hamilton yung pagbaril niya or ni-raise niya yung yung gun pataas. So hindi niya tinuloy yung duel. So tumama lang sa puno yung yung baril niya. Pero si Aaron Burr is talagang binaril niya. So sabi sa history, parang nagulat si Aaron Burr din sa nangyari kasi kala niya talagang babarilin siya ni Hamilton eh. Pero ni-raise niya yung gun, di ba?
Yeah.
So
Some say it's a suicide.
ha?
Some say his death was a suicide.
A suicide or something. Kasi parang honor niya sa anak niya din eh. Kasi yung anak niya din, ni-raise din yung gun.
Yeah, kasi
diba?
sinabihan niya yung anak niya na just raise the gun.
The gun,
Yeah.
never killed or something,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, I have a story for later.
Okay.
Of how Philip died.
Alright. So, yan. Again, Hamilton is the founding father, one of the founding father ng United States of America. Hindi lang siya naging presidente dahil,
Became a president.
yeah.
Not all. Pero tandaan nyo guys, si Hamilton, he's an immigrant. So,
Immigrant.
siya yung isa sa mga proof na ang immigrant is pwedeng mag-succeed or maging part ng history ng America.
Ayan. So, see you later.
Say Hamilton!
Look him in the eye and no higher. Summon all the courage you require. Then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 10 paces fire.
So ayan guys, no? So nag-enjoy kami ni Tiffany na ano kami na excite. So punta naman kami ngayon sa mansion niya, which is yung
Hamilton Grange.
yan. So pasyalan natin. Yun yung nag-iisang bahay lang ni Alexander Hamilton.
Quiet outside.
Yeah. Favorite.
Uptown New York.
So wait, lumipat si Hamilton doon nung after ni Philip namatay. Yun. So kasi nag-ano silang dalawa ni Eliza, nag-ano sila, yung asawa niya si Eliza, ano ba to? Nag-ano sila, nagluksa ba, parang gano'n, na-depress silang dalawa. So umalis sila ng New York at umakyat silang uptown. And yun, doon sila bumili ng bahay. And nanirahan sila ng silang dalawa lang.
It's quiet.
That's why it's quiet uptown. Ayan. So update na lang later guys sa Hamilton Grange. Let's go. Guys, andito na tayo sa Uptown New York kung saan makikita ang mansion ni Hamilton. Guys, kung maririnig niyo yung papakan, sobrang luma, 200 years old house.